We're in a train. There's a bell, let's ring it. Good job, Mr. Conductor. Or Mrs. Conductor. We got the little man behind us and Mommy. Looks like a lot of fun we're going to be having. Oh, I didn't buckle us in, I'm sorry.
You don't have to, she just her.
And he's going to buckle the conductor in. I don't even know how to buckle myself in, so I'm just going to dangle it. Alright, I think we need to ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding! All aboard! Alright, see what little man thinks. Woo, woo! Oh, little man! Is the front fun? You're silly. Any of these other buttons do anything? No. You want to ring it? No? Does Bun like this ride? She looks smushed. Oh, little man! Dominic! Hey, dude! And the nut. You having fun at this carnival? I'm having fun. We're pretty much done. All right, say bye.